Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to upload photos into a photo collage template. First, you can click on the upload button and upload the photos from the computer into Canva. After the photos are uploaded into Canva, you can drag and drop the photo into any photo spot on the collage one at a time. If you don't like the spot you picked for the photo, you can simply right-click on the photo and select Attach Image, and drag and drop the photo into a new spot. You can double-click on the image to adjust the photo inside the spot. Drag any of the four circles on the corner to zoom in the image, and drag on the center of the image to move to the position you like. Double-click anywhere on the white background to save the changes. Now, you can repeat the same steps for the other images. When you adjust the photo, there is a Rotate button below the image. You can rotate the image if it's necessary. If you want to edit the text, you can double-click on the text box and type the words you like. Click on the text box again, choose the position option, and click on the center button to align the text box center to the page. If the center button is grayed out, it means the text box is already centered on the page. Click on the Share button to download the completed design. If you want to share the completed design digitally, you can choose the PNG file to download it as an image. If you want to print the completed design, you can choose PDF print type file. It has the best resolution for printing. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.